If you've ever wondered, can you change your Namecheap username? The short answer is no, not directly. Namecheap does not let you rename an existing account username because of security rules. But don't worry, there is a practical workaround, and in this video I'll walk you through it step by step so you can set up a new account and move your services over safely. If this kind of tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more quick software and web platform guides. Now, let's get into it. First, understand the main limitation. Your current Namecheap username cannot be edited or replaced inside the account settings. So, if you want to use a different username, the solution is to create a brand new Namecheap account with a different email address and your preferred new username. To do that, go to the Namecheap sign-up page and register a new account. Use an email address that is not already tied to your old Namecheap profile. Then choose the username you want to use going forward. Once the new account is created, you can begin moving your services from the old account to the new one. The first thing most people want to move is their domains. To transfer a domain to your new Namecheap account, log into the old account and open your domain list. Find the domain you want to move, then click Manage. Inside the domain settings, look for Sharing and Transfer. This section is where Namecheap lets you move the domain between accounts. Enter your new Namecheap username exactly as it appears in the new account. Double-check the spelling before you continue, because if the username is wrong, the transfer won't go through correctly. After entering the new username, follow the prompts to confirm the transfer. Depending on the domain status and security settings, Namecheap may ask you to verify the action before it is completed. Once approved, the domain will be moved into the new account. Next, if you have hosting services attached to the old account, those usually do not move the same way domains do. In that case, you'll need to contact Namecheap support for help. You can reach support through the live chat option on the Namecheap website or by email if that is the available method for your account or service. When you contact support, explain that you want to move your hosting to a new Namecheap account and provide the username for the destination account. Support can tell you whether the hosting plan can be transferred and what steps are required. Now, there are a couple of important limitations you should know about. Account funds generally cannot be moved between accounts, and certain apps or add-ons may also stay tied to the original account. That means you should review every service in your account before starting the move, so you know what can transfer and what cannot. It's also a good idea to make a quick checklist before you switch. List your domains, hosting plans, SSL certificates, email services, and any extra products connected to the old account. That way you can confirm what has been moved and what still needs manual attention. So to summarize, you cannot directly change your Namecheap username, but you can work around it by creating a new account, transferring your domains through Sharing and Transfer, and contacting support to move hosting services. Keep in mind that funds and some apps may not transfer. If this video helped, please hit like, subscribe, and check out the next tutorial for more simple step-by-step fixes like this.